Oh.
He's kidding, Mommy. Mommy.
He's what?
Mommy. He's kidding.
He's kidding?
Yes.
I don't know.
He's starting to cry, Mommy.
Give him a kiss. I think he's hungry.
We have something to drink for him. And can we give him something to drink?
Give him a hug. He's starting to cry.
Oh no! Weston, don't cry. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me, Weston. Don't cry for me. Please don't cry. He stopped crying.
You did it.
Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry. Please don't cry.
Oh, goodness.
We better give him something to drink.
Yeah, we better give him something to drink.
Let's go get it.
Aren't you supposed to be taking a nap?
You supposed to go get it.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah.
And you stay here and take a nap?
Nope. I'm coming with you.
I think you're supposed to be taking a nap.
But I'm going to come with you, and I won't be spilling it.
You won't spill it?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Mommy. Let's go.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.